We're back, guys. We had a nice 10-to-1 risk to reward ratio when it comes to this trade. Our entry was very nice, very precise with a 2.5 pip stop loss. Now understand that not everybody's stop loss is going to be exactly the same. And the reason why is because, when you're using certain brokers or when you have certain amount of certain capital inside a broker, they're able to provide you raw spread. Obviously their commission goes up, but when it comes to entries like this, you'd rather have that raw spread because over time, those 1-2 pips can pay you off fat, right? So when it comes to that scenario, look at these three things I was looking at. I was looking at divergence, I was looking at liquidity, I was also looking at a point of interest, which I'll go into more in depth with the next video. I'll go over some points of interest. Now on top of that, I had a verification of liquidity that has been provided and a retracement down into a 50% of the candle. And not just that, but if you also go ahead and put a Fibonacci retracement over here, you'll be able to identify that the Fibonacci retracement came down to at least a 78.5 Fibonacci retracement, which is one of my favorite levels to pay attention to continue on buying or selling within the market. So those are some of the confirmation that we had on this scenario. Very nice, very simple, very straightforward. So again, we had divergence, we had liquidity, we had a point of entry, we had a verification liquidity, and a movement down to 50% of that candle alongside with a 78.5 Fibonacci retracement. That gave us that insurance of market potentially continue on going to the upside, taking out our previous high, leading us to a great risk reward, which led us to a 1 to 10 risk reward. Now the cool thing about this is the fact that if you're trading New York, or you're trading London, or you're trading Asia, whatever time zone that you're at, if you just catch one of these trades and you use proper risk management, let's say if I had $1,000 account right here and I risked 1%, I could have gained $100, which would have been a 10% gain on this account itself. Now, that's about the average income of the American that's living in the US. Now, understand if you're able to go ahead and pay attention to these small details and overall be disciplined with your trading, it'll be a lot easier for you to actually look for a trade, be patient, wait for it, and then get in when the time is right. So with that said, guys, again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. Again, all I ask for is for that like button to be, gently hit that like button, because honestly, I don't want no complaint from YouTube from you guys smashing that like button. So do me a favor and go ahead and like this video. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll go ahead and do that for you guys either today or tomorrow. See you guys in the next one. Have a great one. Bye-bye.